embarked on the journey to the creation of human silicon steel coils are starting with high purity raw materials through precision rolling, continuous annealing, insulating coating, and process slating, a series of meticulous processes ultimately resulting in high-quality silicon steel coils with low iron loss and high magnetic induction. It is the energy-saving core of transformers and motors, contributing to the development of green energy. Human silicon steel coils define a new benchmark for electromagnetic materials with their superior quality,